Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka Mattinson at Home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison here.
So for today's video, I am doing another Telfar unboxing. Yes, I am. I don't care. Before we get into the unboxing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm not really sure if I told you in my last Telfar unboxing or in the vlog I did, but I did end up getting 3 Telfar bags and I have already unboxed 2 of them. So if you guys have not seen those unboxings, I'm going to put them up in the cards and down in the description box below. One is like a full-on unboxing and the other one is like a mini unboxing within a vlog of mine. So I'm just gonna leave those both up in the cards and down in the description box below so you guys can check those out when you're done watching this video. But today I have a whole separate unboxing to give you guys today, to show you guys today. I'm super excited. I actually got this package on Wednesday. Today is Sunday. I'm filming on Sunday. I have not opened the box because I was waiting to do this unboxing for you guys. So here it is. The box is completely sealed. I'm showing you like the back part of the box so you guys don't see my address or anything, but this is what it came in, and I'm just about to bust it open with some scissors that I have right here. I'm so excited. So excited. So here we go. It's right here. Okay. Let me like discard this box since I don't need it anymore. But here it is. It's just in like the plastic with the UGG X TELFAR on it, and then wrapped in the tissue paper. Let me just open this for you guys. So excited, and I've been waiting to open this like and I'm just gonna rip the tissue paper off of it because why do I need to be cute about it? I'm so excited right now. She's so cute! I can't wait! She's gonna be my new work bag. Look at her! Ain't she so cute? Ain't she so cute? Oh gosh, she's so nice. Okay, so obviously I got the black UGG. What is this called? Hold on, I don't know the actual name of it, so I'm about to tell you. So I have the UGG X TELFAR medium shopper in the color black. So she's just like the suede, kind of like the UGG boot suede, and then like Sherpa shearling trimming. That's what it's called, trimming. Super pretty. You could tell like the Telfar logo right here is in like the Sherpa shearling, whatever you want to call this material, and then the rest of it is just in the suede. So it's like the perimeter of the bag and then the handles of the bag. Super cute. It just says UGG X TELFAR on this tag right here, and then it also has, oh, ooh, child, I ain't see this before. So y'all animal lovers, do not be mad at me, and PETA, do not come for me, but this one on the white ticket says real fur from sheep. So this is real sheep fur. I had no idea. The fur has artificially been dyed and treated, and the fur is from Australia, probably because it's UGG. I'm so sorry, I had no idea, but she's so cute. And then the straps are just what is this called, binded? The straps are just like binded in this like tissue paper again. Just going to rip that off, and then whatever tape this is. So happy with it. And then on the inside, it does have like the snap closure, the button closure. The button's like magnetic. Some tissue paper in there as well. And then on the inside of the bag, it just looks like this. So there is some more tissue paper just like holding the shape of the bag. And then the duster bag that just says UGG TELFAR on it, that I'm going to actually put on my gray Telfar, because I actually don't know what I did with the the big one for the gray one, but I know I'm going to wear this one to work. I've been wearing my gray one to work, but since this one is here now, black is, you know, more everyday and it matches with more of my stuff. So I'm just gonna transfer everything that was in my gray Telfar, which is actually on my bed. I'm gonna transfer everything that was in this Telfar into this Telfar instead. And then it does have, the medium bag does have one pocket on the inside, one zipper pocket, and on the inside it's probably like this, I think this is a UGG authentication card. I never really read it, I just leave it inside the bag. Super cute. And then on the back it just says UGG X TELFAR right there. So yeah, this is the cute ass bag. So I got this off of the UGG Vember drop. They are doing another UGG Vember drop. I think it's like the last one for this month, like of November. I think it's the last one. They're doing it tomorrow. I'm not quite sure when this video is coming out. So it's going to drop on November. They're doing another UGG drop on November 29th. When I looked on the website, this bag wasn't on here, but it was like the gray fleece one in all sizes, the chestnut one in all sizes, and the reverse chestnut one in all sizes were going to be released or re-released and dropped on the 29th, tomorrow at like 12 p.m. I'm not quite sure if the black ones are going to be re-released. I have no idea. It wasn't on the website, but tomorrow they are doing their bag drop. So like I've been telling you guys in my previous video, like my other UGG unboxing, my other Telfar unboxing for the UGGs, the way you get your Telfar bag is to pay on Klarna or already have your like credit card information, all that stuff inputted into it, like input into the website. It's easier on Klarna, to be completely honest, because it's a different credit card. You don't necessarily need to save it onto your laptop. You don't have to save your information onto the laptop, in case you're a little wary about that. Klarna gives you a one-time card that you can use within 24 hours of you receiving the one-time card, the one-time online card. So you use that, you input your address, your phone number, you input all of that into Klarna, and then Klarna gives you a credit card, and you can have Klarna save that credit card. So when you go on the Telfar website, all you really have to do, you should do, is put the bag in your cart on Klarna. Klarna will allow you to put the bag in your cart. So all you have to do is go into your cart, hit submit. It's gonna ask you to like make sure you're not a robot, do the little robot test thing, whatever. And then it's gonna be like your name, address, all of that's gonna pop up on Klarna. Your one-time Klarna card's gonna pop up, and all you have to do is really hit submit and wait for it to, you know, be like, congratulations, your UGG bag is on the way. That's all you have to do. I don't know what anybody else is doing. I also suggest getting onto the website before 12 o'clock. Like the drop tomorrow is at 12 o'clock. Don't pick your phone up at 12 o'clock and think you're gonna get the bag. No. Be on the website at 11:55 and wait those 5 minutes, so when it's like 11:59, you're already refresh, hit, congratulations, you got your bag. That's how that works. So that's what's been working for me, and I copped 3 Telfar bags during this whole UGG Vember thing. I copped obviously this black one right here. I also copped this gray one right here, and then I also copped the this mini one right here. Ain't she cute? Oh, and guys, just so, well, this is my mask. I have masks in here because I wore this for things. I wore this bag during Thanksgiving. So just so you guys can like see like the size difference, this is the small one. This is the small bag, and then this one is the medium bag. So as you can, this looks like an extra small bag, and this looks like a large to me, but I don't own any of the larges because they just look way too big for my liking. So this is the medium here in my left hand, and then the one in my right hand is the small, just so you guys can like see. They're the same exact bag, just one is smaller than the other. Super cute, super cute. So, and they both say like the same things in the back. They both say like UGG X TELFAR. It's just a little more prevalent, like a little more noticeable on the smaller bag, just because it's a smaller bag. But yeah. I wore this bag on Thanksgiving, so if I have any pictures, I'll like pop it up just so you guys can see what it looks like on my body. I actually have some stuff in this bag that I want to transfer into my now new work bag, my new UGG TELFAR bag. Yeah, that is it. I'm gonna transfer all of the stuff out of the gray bag into my black one, but I'm not gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have in this bag because I do have a separate video of what I put into my Telfar bags, and then maybe I might do a what's in my bag, what's in my work bag, because this is now my work bag. So super excited, super happy. I'm just really excited to like share this with you guys. So, you know, if you guys have any questions about the Telfar bag, about which one I got, about how I take care of it, any of that good stuff, please let me know down in the comments below. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Also, if you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a